me hearties, it's Miss Lester here, and I would like to show you how to make this wonderful pirate hat. Now, to make your hat, all you will need, whoopsie, is one sheet of paper and some nice pens to decorate your hat. So you start off by folding the paper in half. Okay, and I like to make sure that the corners are meeting, and that way when I fold it, it's nice and even and straight down the middle. And then the next thing you do, you need to find the mouth. Sorry. This is the mouth. You don't fold from the mouth. You fold from the not mouth. Okay, and what you're going to do is fold down these two triangles at the top of the not mouth section. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you can get them to meet in the middle though, that's super. Excellent. Okay, now I have to put my hand inside the mouth and I just fold it upwards like this, turn it over to the other side and fold it upwards. Ta-da! Arr! So now you can use your colour pens to decorate your hat however you like. Don't forget to send a picture of your finished hat to your teacher. We would love to see some great examples.